Welcome to an exciting exploration of how artificial intelligence can revolutionize your YouTube channel through automation. In today's digital age, leveraging AI technology can streamline content creation, enhance audience engagement, and accelerate channel growth. Join me as we uncover the strategies and tools to harness the power of AI for creating captivating videos on your new YouTube channel. Number 1. Content ideation with AI tools. The first step in creating automation videos is generating compelling content ideas. AI-powered tools, such as content generators and trend analysis platforms, can analyze data from various sources to identify trending topics, keywords, and audience interests. By leveraging AI-driven insights, creators can uncover untapped niches, discover trending topics, and generate endless content ideas that resonate with their target audience. These tools provide valuable guidance for content creators, helping them stay ahead of the curve and produce content that captures viewers' attention. Number 2. Automated video creation with AI software. Gone are the days of manual video editing. AI-powered software now enables creators to automate the video creation process. From assembling footage and editing clips to adding music and visual effects, AI algorithms can handle every aspect of video production with speed and precision. Creators can use AI video editing tools to streamline workflow, enhance production quality, and produce professional-looking videos in a fraction of the time. These tools not only save time and effort but also empower creators to focus on content creation rather than technical aspects of video production. Number 3. Personalized content recommendations. AI-driven recommendation engines play a crucial role in engaging viewers and keeping them coming back for more. By analyzing viewer preferences, watch history, and engagement metrics, AI algorithms can deliver personalized content recommendations tailored to each viewer's interests and preferences. Creators can leverage AI-powered recommendation systems to increase watch time, drive audience retention, and cultivate a loyal subscriber base. These personalized recommendations create a more immersive viewing experience for viewers, increasing their likelihood of engaging with the channel and returning for future content. Number 4. Optimizing video titles and thumbnails. Capturing viewers' attention in a crowded online landscape requires eye-catching titles and thumbnails. AI-driven tools can analyze video content and audience preferences to generate optimized titles and thumbnails that maximize click-through rates and engagement. By leveraging AI for title and thumbnail optimization, creators can increase visibility, attract more viewers, and boost video performance on their YouTube channel. These tools help creators stand out in search results and recommended videos, increasing their chances of reaching a broader audience and growing their subscriber base. Number 5. Automated video distribution and promotion. Once videos are created, AI can automate the distribution and promotion process across various channels and platforms. AI-powered content management systems can schedule video uploads, optimize metadata, and share videos on social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Creators can use AI-driven distribution tools to streamline promotional efforts, increase video reach, and drive traffic to their YouTube channel. This strategy will make your YouTube content trendy and will reveal on viewers' timeline. Number 6. Audience engagement and interaction. Engaging with viewers is essential for building a thriving YouTube community. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can interact with viewers in real time, answering questions, providing recommendations, and fostering engagement. Creators can use AI-driven chatbots to automate responses, moderate comments, and cultivate a positive and interactive community around their channel. Always give answer to every comments and never dishearten about bad comment. In conclusion, leveraging AI automation can revolutionize content creation, distribution, and engagement on your YouTube channel. By harnessing AI-powered tools and technologies, creators can streamline workflow, enhance production quality, and accelerate channel growth. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and strategies on leveraging AI for success in the digital age, and unlock the full potential of your YouTube content creation journey. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates like this. Thanks.